Are you ready to launch your e-commerce business? Well, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll teach you how to connect your Shopify store to Gelato. By tapping into Gelato, you'll be able to create and sell your own custom products globally without having to worry about production or shipping. You're in luck because connecting to Gelato is super easy. So let's get started. Make sure you've already created your Shopify store. If you haven't yet, don't worry. Check out this video to help you get started. You can find it linked on the screen now or in the description below. Once your Shopify store is ready to go, head over to your Gelato account. Select Store in the left-hand menu. Next, select Shopify and click Connect. You'll be redirected to the Shopify App Store and click Add App. Go ahead and log into your Shopify store and make sure to use the credentials you used to set up your Shopify account. Then, grant access to your Gelato account. This will allow the two platforms to communicate with each other seamlessly. Once you've granted access, you may need to refresh your Gelato dashboard in order to see your connected Shopify store. And see, told you it was easy. Your Shopify store is now connected to Gelato, and you're one step closer to adding amazing products to your store. Adding products to your store is the next step for launching your business. Check out our next video to learn how. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, you can reach out to our team for support at hello@gelato.com. We'll see you in the next video.